Shout out to Maya Lin Chang as well. Go Keilor.
Oh, it doesn't even say that, Locke. You're just biased because you're from Keilor.
I keep getting these random comments coming from yourself and Raf about Keilor. I'm here, Little Athletics, Victoria. Go all teams.
So this heat 3 of 3 to round out the under 12 mixed 4x100s, and there's a false start, which is opportunity because now I can read out the lane numbers of the teams competing in this event.
Perfect.
So in lane 1 we have Berwick, lane 2 Caulfield, lane 3 Camberwell Malvern B team, lane 4 Doncaster, lane 5 Bacchus Marsh, lane 6 Keilor, lane 7 Ballarat, and lane 8 South Melbourne District. As the runners take to their blocks. It looks just to be an unsteady start rather than false start on that one. The athletes will reset. And we're off in heat 3 of the under 12 mixed 4x100. With the first change probably to be made on the outside with Ballarat or South Melbourne as they charge up the back straight. Doncaster not doing too badly either. First change second was Doncaster, in fact, with the first 2 runners leading the way around the back bend around the pole vault mats. Closely following is the inside lane in Caulfield, I believe. So it's Doncaster, Caulfield and Ballarat to make the first 3 changes into the straight. But watched Keilor and Bacchus Marsh who are charging up that straight and not too far behind. So it's Doncaster from Ballarat, Caulfield, Box Hill, Bacchus Marsh, South Melbourne, Berwick and Camberwell Malvern as they move over the line. So that's the final of our 3 heats for the under 12 mix 4x100s.